Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. As you guys see, this Home Depot's really small. It's almost like a grocery store size. It's very rare not having a Home Depot or not seeing a big Home Depot. But yeah, it's only one entrance and one exit. Pretty much the exit is the same as the lumber department, so it's actually two doors only. So, anyways, we got a small section here. We still got some Milwaukee. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to help out the channel so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, help out the channel by subscribing. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. Yeah, we got some few Milwaukee tools left from that buy one get one free deal. We got some more Milwaukee flashlights there, some batteries. And then we got this titanium kit, which is a great deal for $29.99. Usually it runs for like $50 or $45. So definitely recommend that deal if you guys looking to get that type of drill bits. And we got a few Joby tools here. We got a few fans, $72. It's on clearance for this drill here. And then we got some more bits over here. And we only have one battery left. One of those promo kits, only one left on this store. Somehow this store, it's really small store, so it's running low on tools. And then you got the flexible, which is a great deal for $2.99. You got some more DeWalt accessories there. And then you got the atomic $159. Definitely a smoking deal on that. I think it's a great deal. Getting two brushless tools, two great tools. That's $99 if you only want the impact driver. It just depends on the store. So most of these stores already run out at the atomic. So it's like they have a few stores here. A few items here. Then the fan went up for $129. It used to be, I believe, $89.99, and now it's up to $129. So yeah, they did increase the price. I've heard a lot of guys are getting the DeWalt deals, where you get a battery and a charger for free if you buy a tool. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys did you guys hear anything like that? Because I've been trying to go on the online and it doesn't do it. So if you guys know anything about that, let me know down in the comment section. Maybe, and I did hear Lowe's was doing it too, but I tried going on to both websites or the apps and I couldn't do it. So anyways, we got some Makita here. You buy any of these tools and I believe you get a battery for free. Same thing with this. You buy it $2.99, $1.99. Reciprocating saw, circular saw, or that kit, and you get a battery for free. Pretty much a good deal there. You're getting all these good tools, brushless tools. $4.88 for those red gloves there. $8.88, and then that's a better deal for $9.88. You get a 15 pair there. It's a great deal. And then you got some face masks, toilet paper, and then you got some gloves and some hand sanitizer. $19.97 for that Milwaukee. It's definitely a nice organizer there. We got some racks here. Like I said, I do apologize. This video is really short on the tools. I'm gonna have some more clearance deals on the end of this video. But yeah, like I said, this video is really short because on the tool section because of the size of this Home Depot. $2.39 for the DeWalt, then $6.98 for that toolbox. It's one of the bigger ones. I believe it's a 72 in gray with metal top or wood top. Really nice close there. Then you got this Husky. Yeah, like I said, they didn't have a lot, so I was just trying to get as much as I can. That's the Husky tool bag section. Then that's I was looking for the Packout 2.0. I don't know if you guys know about the Packout 2.0 or not the Packout, the Tough System 2.0. That's supposed to already be hitting the stores. I believe it's already online. So watch out for that, for those Tough System 2.0. You got some more Milwaukee here. The whole dozers for $28. They're on clearance. Some more batteries here, $179 for the And then they still have a few promos up there. So where you buy the, yeah, this Home Depot is just weird. It's separated. It's not clear. They're not offering the buy one get one free for those batteries. You got the pack out section, big pack out section there. Like I said, this Home Depot was weird. It didn't offer you the full, you know, it didn't have those buy one get one free type of thing. They just had it like randomly throughout the store. And yeah, Home Depot does have a big clearance section. Pretty much on this side is just bulbs, and it was placed on the wrong place there. $13. It wasn't the line there for the. Yeah, it's a little bit more expensive. It's more expensive than that. I was looking at it because I was gonna get one for my house, but yeah, it's a lot more than $13. And you just gotta watch out because sometimes they're on the wrong section, or the labels are, you know, on the wrong side. And that's a nice toolkit for the plumber's kit there for $47. That's the bathroom faucet there. And then we got some more buy this kit and get 2 free batteries. It's that kit on the bottom with the circular saw, $249. And that one's on sale. I believe it's a 6-tool combo kit for $299. It's not a bad deal. It's definitely not a bad deal because Makita, it's a great brand. They give you a lot for your money, and they're good tools. So, got some Porter cable there. Hot deals. We got some power tools on this. This DeWalt was $65. It's an inflator, so they got it on clearance. They might have a newer version of this already out, but they they actually had 2 of these. They had one in the garden section too. So $65. I believe it's a good deal. And you got some rigid lights and some Makita subcompacts. And we got some more miscellaneous stuff here at the bottom. Some nails, some connectors, some wires. So pretty much a little bit of everything. And then we got the DeWalt flex bolt section here. You got the compressor at the bottom for $269. And then you got the combo there for $299. They had a lot of these. They had a few in the front. That's a great deal for $997. Those beds. And then they had this nail there for $269. That's the XR. That's another clearance for $159. You got the blower and the string trimmer from Joby. And then you got this. If you guys don't know what these are spreaders. You can use fertilizer or spread grass or, you know, pesticides on those spreaders there. And then you got another DeWalt section here. They're just offering their combo there, $269. You got a blower. And I was talking to this guy. He was trying to figure out the deals here for the Joby buy one get one free. I guess he's going to be the lucky one that's going to get the last one. So it's good for him that he's going to get that. I was just making sure he was getting the right tool so he could get the deal. And then we saw this Joby, which is weird because I never see these, for $79.97. It does include the battery and the charger. There's a guy selling one here on OfferUp, but I'm not gonna get it because it does have bad reviews. Some of them are bad, some of them are good, so there's mixed reviews on that. And if you guys used that before, let me know down in the comment section if you guys own that sprayer. You got some coolers there. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews to deals. If you want to help out the channel, hit the subscribe, hit the like, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.